Hi, welcome all. Now I'm going to show how to enter values in Microsoft Excel. For that, first we need to open Microsoft Excel. For that, here you can see Windows button. Once you click on here, you will find list of softwares which are available. So here, if you already open Microsoft Excel, you can find in most used or recent ones, or else you need to navigate to Microsoft Office, which will have the all the software related to Microsoft Office. Once you click on this Microsoft Office, you will able to find so many things which are related to Microsoft. You need to choose Microsoft Office Excel. Once you place the cursor, it will get highlighted automatically. You need to press your mouse button to open Microsoft Office Excel. It will once it open, you can able to see sheets. Okay, so here before before entering the values, we need to know few basics of Excel. First we need to know what is column and what is row. Here we are able to see A B C D E F and 1 2 3 as well. So which are there, this one is called as a column, and this is a horizontal one, and this is vertical, so which is 1 2 3. These are called as a row. Okay, so wherever now we have a place where which is common for A and 1, this one is called as a cell. So wherever you need to enter a values, you just place your cursor and click on it, and it will get highlighted automatically. Okay, so now I'm going to show you how to enter a value. Suppose now I'm entering in A column in first row. So I'm entering student number, and B column and fees. So here we have entered the full string, full name of the column, but it's not showing properly here. For that, what you need to do, here we have two options. One is aligning all the sheet at a time, or else we need to do it manually for 1 to 1 column. So if you place your mouse between A and B, okay, your cursor will highlighted in plus symbol. So where you need to press your mouse button and adjust to right, towards right side, so that you're able to see your whatever the string, whatever the name, or whatever the heading you have entered, you are able to see it here. Okay, in similar way, here we have another one. So this also you can do in same way, or else if you want to do two all together once, for that what you need to do, you need to click on here, which is before to A and above to 1, and then the entire sheet will get selected, and now place the cursor which is between A and B cells, and then your cursor will get displayed as a plus symbol. So here you need to adjust however you want, whether it is a towards left side or towards right side. So whatever the adjustment you have done, that will get applied entire the Excel sheet. Okay, now this is the sheet, this is the values which we have entered. So we'll enter some values here. Student number 1 and student name as a Raju, and he paid fee as 100. In similar way, you can enter how many you want. So this is how you will enter the values. So once we enter the values, we need to save our work. So for that, what you need to do, you need to click on the top corner of the office button, and if you click on it, you will able to see so many things here. So you need to enter, you need to click on save. Once you click on a save, it will open in which location it has to be saved. So I'm going to save this Excel sheet on my desktop as a session 1. Enter the file name as a session 1 and select the place where you want to save it, and click on save. So it will get saved automatically. Now I'm closing my work which I have done, and here once, so this is my desktop where I can see this is the session 1 which we have saved it. So select the Excel, and it gets opened automatically. This is how we can enter the data in the Excel sheet. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and click on the notification bell to get more updates on it.